Hello, and welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to live a healthier and happier life in today's video. I'm going to talk about why you should replace sea salt with Celtic salt in your kitchen and your diet. Sea salt is the most common type of salt that we use in our cooking and seasoning. It is made from evaporated seawater, which means it contains some trace minerals like potassium, iron, and zinc. 1. However, these minerals are very small and not enough to make a significant difference in your health. Celtic salt, on the other hand, is a type of unrefined salt that is harvested from the Atlantic coast of France too. It has a moist texture and a subtle flavour that enhances the taste of your food. But what makes Celtic salt truly special is its mineral content. Celtic salt contains more sodium than sea salt, but it also has more calcium and magnesium too. These minerals are essential for your bones, muscles, nerves, and heart health. They also help regulate your blood pressure and fluid balance too. So how much better is Celtic salt than sea salt? Well, it depends on how much you use. According to the American Heart Association, the recommended daily intake of sodium for adults is 2,300 milligrams or less. That means 1 teaspoon of sea salt contains about 2,300 milligrams of sodium. But 1 teaspoon of Celtic salt contains only 1,500 milligrams of sodium. That means you can use less Celtic salt than sea salt without exceeding your sodium limit. And by using less sea salt, you can also reduce your intake of other additives like iodine and anti-caking agents that are often added to table salt. So what are the benefits of using Celtic salt instead of sea salt? Well, there are many. Here are some of them. You can save money by buying less sea salt and more Celtic salt. You can enjoy a more natural and authentic flavour in your food. You can support local farmers and workers who harvest Celtic salt by hand. You can improve your health by getting more minerals from your food. You can protect yourself from high blood pressure and other cardiovascular diseases. Of course, there are also some drawbacks to using Celtic salt instead of sea salt. For example, Celtic salt might be harder to find than sea salt in some stores or online. Celtic salt might be more expensive than sea salt depending on where you buy it from. Celtic salt might have a different appearance than sea salt depending on its colour and texture. So, should you use Celtic salt or sea salt? The answer depends on your personal preference and needs both types of salt. Have their pros and cons, so you should use them wisely and moderately. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.